Hello, happy holidays. Welcome back to the my ornaments on a nail series. And we're going to do this red metallic ornament and put it on a nail. Yeah, if you want to see more content like this, I have 2 more episodes to come. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Like, what? But please get into this nail set, y'all. She is from my press on nail boutique and she is called Wrapping Paper, and she's available on my website, and that's going to be in the description box below. So this is the ornament that I am going to put on a nail. This is one of my favorite ornaments on my tree. It's so pretty, y'all. But let's get into the materials. So this is the stiletto practice tip that I will be using really for this whole series. I have this no wipe top coat, and I also have the matte top coat as well. I'm going to also use the nail gel from Mifa. It's black and it's the number 20. For the last time, hopefully y'all are gonna see this silver glitter. It's still the death of me, but this is all I got, so I'm gonna use it with pride. Okay. And I also have this red chrome, y'all. I've been using the mess out of this red chrome. I love it. I love that powder. But first, what I'm gonna do is take that black gel polish and paint the tip, and I'm going to cure that for 90 seconds. And then we're going to go in with the second coat and cure it for 90 seconds as well. So after that cures for 90 seconds, I'm going to go back in with the glossy top coat, and I'm going to apply it and cure it for 90 seconds. This is a very important step in order to make the red chrome look the way that it does. I use this technique as well as another technique where I didn't use top coat and it made it more metallic looking, glittery looking, and I used that on my fall sweater nail set on my press on nail boutique. So make sure that you go in with the top coat. That's going to be the base for the red chrome powder, and you're just going to take like a little applicator, or you can use a sponge or whatever you have. Take that red chrome and rub it in. Make sure you rub it in good now. Real good. Okay. So the red chrome looks like that, and it's mirror looking. So that's what the top coat as the base does. It makes it look like this. And that was exactly what I wanted. So now I'm going to go in with the top coat, and I'm going to cap that. This is an important step as well, because you don't want that chrome to get everywhere. And you want to cure that for 90 seconds. Alright, next up, apply the matte top coat. This is going to look like a velvet matte top coat because I put the glossy top coat under there. So it's going to look real good. And it should look like this. Oh, like look at that. Anyways, okay. So that looks like the ornament. That's the base. So now we're going to get into the silver swirls. I'm just taking a look at it to see, just to study the pattern and what I want to do. So I take the smallest detail brush that I have, And I'm going to basically do a little in and out swirl. I'm going to start out with that. That's basically the basic line work of this design when it comes to the ornament. So I'm just going to do that. Now, I'm not going to cure none of this, right? I'm just trying to lay down the design. And as I'm doing that, I'm just going to let y'all watch, okay? Okay. So I had to keep looking at the ornament, but basically this is what it looks like. And it looks so pretty just like this, but you know me, I need a little boom bap, okay? So I'm going to go in with the forbidden silver glitter. And I'm going to dump that on the design. It's not cured, it's still wet. So I'm just gonna dump that, dust the excess off, not with a fan, just tap it and cure that for 90 seconds. And then after curing, I'm going to go in with my fan and get off all of the excess. And it looks really pretty. It looks like the ornament is just, you know, the ornament has fine silver glitter, whereas this is chunky, but it's fine. I'm using my resources, okay? And it looks good. It looks good. So last but not least, I had to look at the ornament just to make sure I had the basic shape of everything. Now I need to go in with the final details, and that's to put top coat. It's like little ticks around the swirl design, and it'll make it look like the ornament. And I'll just let y'all watch me do that. This is sped up, but I'm basically just using a fine detail brush with some clear top coat, and I'm just making ticks. I'm just looking at the ornament and just making ticks wherever I want it. So after making the ticks, I cured it for 90 seconds and it looks like this. Y'all, this is my favorite ornament nail so far. I love the ornament just like by itself, but like on a nail, that looks so good. Like, stop playing with me. So yeah, this ornament looks really good. If you want to see more episodes, I have 2 more left. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, because what, like, this algorithm is crazy on this app. And yeah, y'all be on the lookout for the next episode coming up. So I'll see y'all on the flip side. All right, bye.